hello everyone. Nice to meet you again. And as I mentioned earlier, today I am going to teach you 5 new characters from the 30 consonants. Okay, and how to read and how to write them, and there are some meanings also. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so these are the 5 new characters from the 30 consonants for today's class. Okay, so today we will learn how to read and how to write, and there are some meanings as well. Okay, so let's start how to read, okay, and write. So the first one, okay, this first one is ta, 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 ta. Okay, it's a high tone. Okay, ta. So how to write ta? You can write it like this. Okay, ta, like this, like this. Okay, so this is ta, 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 ta. Okay, then second one. Okay, second one is cha, 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 cha. Okay, this one is also high tone. Okay, so how to write cha? You can write it like this, like this. Okay, then you this. Okay, this is cha, cha, cha. Okay, cha. Then third one is ka, 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 ka. Okay, so how to write ka? You can write it like this. Then second step, then third step. Okay, then fourth step is like this. Okay, this is ka, 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 ka. You can, sorry, you can draw like this. Okay, ka, ka, ka. Okay, it's a medium tone as it is. The color is red. Okay, so then the fourth one is nga, 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 nga. Yeah, here, nga, nga, nga from the here throughout. Okay, it's nga, nga, nga. Okay, and this is nga. Okay, so how to write nga? Nga, it's very easy. Okay, it's you can draw write it uh, in a one step. Okay, nga. This is nga, 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 nga. Okay, then last one. Okay, fifth one is ya, 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 ya. It's a high tone. Okay, ya, ya, ya. Okay, so how to write ya is also very easy. Okay, you can write like this. It goes like this. Then next, here 2 steps. Okay, okay. This is ya, 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 ya. Okay, that's it. Okay. Then I will show you some meaning of combination of this character and with characters with the vowels. Okay, so there are some meanings. Okay, I will show you the meanings. Okay, here. Sorry. Okay, here. Okay, so these are the meanings. Um, Here. So the first one is ma ding bo me ta naro to ka to me to me to me to me to me to means this one. Okay, flower. Okay, me to. Okay, then second one is cha naro cho cha naro cho 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 cho. One second. Cha naro cho, cha naro cho, cho cho, cho cho. Okay, so cho cho means he is cho cho. It's a brother, the elder brother. Okay, so cho cho. Then and so the third one is Kha Nga Kang Kha Nga Kang Pa Kang Pa Kang Pa Kang Pa Kha Nga Kang Pa Kang Pa Kang Pa. Okay, so this one is Kang Pa. Okay, house. Kang Pa means house. Okay, Kang Pa. Okay, then the fourth one is nga nga ngang pa ngang pa nga nga ngang pa ngang pa ngang pa nga nga ngang pa ngang pa ngang pa. Okay, it's ngang pa means it's dark. Okay, this one. And then the fifth one is ya ka yak panaro po yak po yak po ya ka yak panaro po yak po means good. Okay, good. Okay, for today that's it, and I hope it helps a little bit to you guys. And for next week, I will teach another four new characters. Okay, how to read and how to write, and there are some meanings also. Okay, then see you in next the week. Okay, thank you. 토제나 네 제일 제요.